I have here a 5.5-inch stove. So it's gonna be nice and portable, super easy to use. Inside here you can see it has a nice bag, so it's gonna be perfect to store it in. Inside the bag, we got the stove. And then I can just take off the packaging and then it is ready to use. Very simple. You're going to take this piece, has a nice little handle, so you could just flip this down in first. It goes all the way to the bottom. Then you're going to take this little dome piece, just sits right in the middle. And then you'll put your firewood or either kindling, whatever you want to use to burn. And then this piece sets right on top. So make sure when you're using this, whatever you put in there to burn, it's dry. Because if you use wet items to burn, it's going to make it more smoky. So make sure it's all dry. So this is super nice. It's nice and compact. It's going to be super easy to just store everything together and stick it in this nice little bag, and you can take it wherever you want to go. So now that it's nighttime, we're going to do this little fire pit and enjoy it outside. We just put the little pieces of wood down at the bottom, light them on fire, and then it will be lots of fun. So this fire pit is super nice. It's so fun. It's perfect for outdoor, just relaxing with your family. It's really pretty. So it's gonna be great for anyone that wants to have like little outdoor parties or just hang out with their family.